Again, if the chords are the same, the segment OK and the segment OJ are also the same. Same idea applies to if you cut it at the center and you know the measure of DC, DK is always equal to KC. Clear? If we cut AB at the center, AJ will always be equal to JB. Now what we want to find is the radius. You don't have a segment there indicating the radius, but you can always create that line segment. For example, from O, I can always connect that to C. I can even make one for D. I can make one for B. I can make one for A. But sometimes you just need just one. Now let's look at the other information. So AB is 10. So if AB is 10, what can you say about AJ? What's the measure of AJ if AB is 10? 5. Now if OJ is 12, what is... OJ is 12. So we can just plot the 12 on the OJ. Do you think we can find the radius now? And since we know these sides, we have to use the triangle AJO. So by creating a triangle similar to that, so you have J, you have O, you have A. Again, this is always 90 because it's at the center. We know this is 5, we know this is 12. How do we find this? How do we find that? Yes. Again, Pythagorean. Now, if my Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, that's the formula, what is my c? Based from the triangle. What is my c? Let's rename this as x. What is my c? What should I place here? I have 5, I have 12, I have x. Which one should be in the c? I have 5, 12, and x. I have the formula a squared plus b squared. It should be x. It's a hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the one opposite the 90 degrees. So this is x squared. Now for the case of 5 and 12, you can always interchange them. Make a 5, make a 12, it doesn't matter. So we have 5 squared plus 12 squared. Then the next thing you have to do is just simplify the numbers. 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. That is the value of x squared. What is 25 plus 144? 69. So if x squared is 169, what is x to make 13? So the radius is 13. So we're done with the first. So the radius must be 13. The units, or the unit is centimeters. Clear? Question? Aaron? Do you understand? Okay, let's do the next one. Now we want to find the measure of OK. We should know the measure of OK by now. It's also 12.
Because OJ is also 12.
OJ is 12. From the idea that the chords, if the chords are congruent, then the segments OK and OJ are also the same. So that's the value. We have 12 cm. The first one is, what did we get for the first one? 13, right? So this is 13 cm. So that's the answer for number 2. Clear? Okay.